welcome back my friend in my YouTube channel, and in this video I can show you how can you unlock your Samsung M31 smartphone and any Samsung model which you have. You can easily unlock your smartphone without entering this Gmail ID account credential in just only 5 to 6 minutes, without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. You can easily unlock this Samsung smartphone if you forget your Gmail ID account credential. So let's start the video first. First of all my friend, if you have any Samsung smartphone and when you successful hard reset it done and when you configure your smartphone, so at this moment your smartphone is asking to enter your Gmail ID account credential, but you forget it. So first of all you have to connect the charging cable, not connected to computer, only charging cable you have to connect to a smartphone. Okay, only for few seconds. After that you have to go back to the main page. Okay, when you come in this page you have to click a start button here, click agree to all, click agree and click more, click agree, and you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. After successful connecting of your Wi-Fi, you have to do the some things like you have to click add network option here, and after that you got this small setting icon, so you have to click to open it. When successfully opened this Samsung keyboard setting page, you have to see you have to do some important changes here. You can see here there are lots of options. So first of all you have to open your layout option, and here you have to turn on all these options here. After that go back. Here you have to go to the upper side and click more typing options here, and here you have to again do the same thing, press and activate all options here like that. Go back and go to the first option, this is languages and types, so you have to click to open here. After that you have to click manage input languages, and after that my friend you have to select the English United States, and you know very well the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the same. So you have to click and activate English US. After that you have to deselect all these languages except English US. After that go to the smartphone's right side corner, this is 3 dots, so you have to click to open and also click check for updates. When this done, your smartphone is asking to update your language option, so you have to click to update here, and after a few moments your update has been installed on your smartphone. So go back. After that again you have to go back, and here you have to click English suggest text corrections here, and here you have to click manage apps. After that my friend you can see here there are lots of options here, so you have to disable some application like Gmail. Go to the downside. Okay, turn on the Play Store, and after that go back again. You have to go back to the main page. When you come in this page you have to open your emergency call option here, and after that my friend you have to type a very unique code here. This is *#0*#, and after entering the code here the new page comes into your mobile screen. After that you have to click the sensor option here, and you can see here there are lots of sensors are synchronizing here like X, Y, Z, and also gyroscope, magnetic and azimuth is also synchronizing here. So you have to wait for 3 to 5 seconds, and after that you have to go back after completion of 3 seconds or 5 seconds. When you come in this page you have to only click another option, this is blue, and wait for 3 seconds also here, and after that tap anywhere to go back. Done. Go back to the main page. After that you have to change your language to English United States, so click here to change your language, and you have to find English US and click here and click OK. Done my friend. And at the last moment you have to try to open your TalkBack option on your smartphone, and for that you have to press power button plus volume up button on the same time. So press and release. If this not work, you have to repeat the same process, power button plus volume up button, press and release on the same time. After that you got this TalkBack enable option, so you have to click use button here, and again you have to do the same thing, press power button plus volume up button, press and release. When this page come, you have to disconnect the data cable, and after that, my friend, you have to do some action here, and the action is you have to draw opposite L here like that. Okay, so I'm going to draw, and after that you got this prompt, so you have to double click the first option, select use voice commands, double click, say Google Assistant, open settings. When this setting page comes into your mobile screen, you have to disable your TalkBack option, and for that again you have to press power button plus volume up button on the same time, press and release. After that your TalkBack will be disabled. Okay, after that you comes in this setting page, means in this page you can do anything here. Okay, means you can easily remove your Gmail ID account credential from your smartphone, and you can now change your PIN pad and password lock here. So you have to go to the first option, this is privacy. After that, my friend, you have to turn on the last option and go to again, and you have to disable all these both options. Okay, done. After that you have to again go back, and here you have to again click the advanced feature, and here you have to go to the last option, this is you have to click the Android Auto, but you can see here this is not working, so you have to click 7 times this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go back, and after that, my friend, you have to go to the biometric and security. Again you have to click the other security settings, and here you have to click device admin apps, and here you can see here find my device, so you have to turn on, click activate and go back. Done, my friend. After that again you have to go back, and you have to click your lock screen, but you can see here this is not working, so you have to press 7 times again in this option, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 continuously you have to press, and after that go back to the app main menu and click apps to redirect this page to your home screen. Okay, and at this moment you have to configure your smartphone as usual, so click start, click agree to all, click agree, click more, click agree, click next, and wait for the final result. And finally, my friend, you can see here we got this escape message, means this Samsung smartphone is unlocked now. So you can configure your smartphone as usual. When you see this escape message, so you have to click this escape button here, escape again, click don't copy here, click escape again, escape, more, accept, click escape anyway, click OK. Click next, skip, finish, agree, OK. Select your preferred settings, continue, select your preferred setting, continue, finish, and all done. Your Samsung smartphone is unlocked now by using this amazing service center offline method. And if you have any type of queries regarding this method, so you can comment us with your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply to you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone at your home. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.